Good morning, dear. Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have started the first chapter of supplementary, that is how camel got his hump. We read few part of the chapter that how the camel denied to work, and after that the other animals, the ox, horse, and the dog, they called a panchayat, and in that panchayat there came a jinn. They complained to the jinn that camel is doing nothing at all. And what happened after that? The jinn started to think that how I can punish the camel. So we will see next what happened. We read till here page number I think it's 4. So you have given a 3 extra work since Monday morning, all on account of your idleness, said the jinn. And he went on thinking with his chin in his hand. The jinn was thinking in his hand that what should be done with this camel, and the camel was drinking water and looking his reflection in the pool, and he said hump, said the camel. I shouldn't say that again if I were you, said the jinn. You might say it once too often. I want you to work. What jinn said कि अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह पे होता, if I would have in your place, I have never said this once again, and you should think before you say, एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू वर्क, मतलब जिन सेट दैट मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि अब आप जो है कुछ काम करें. एंड द कैमल सेड हम्प अगेन, और लेकिन जो कैमल था उसने फिर से एक बार क्या बोला, हम्प अगेन. बट नो सूनर हैड ही सेड इट देन ही सॉ हिज बैक that he was so proud of, puffing up into a great big hump. And what happened, as the camel said hump third time, his back, which he was very proud of his back, the back was started puffing and puffing, and it changed into a great big hump. Do you see that, said the jinn. Now the jinn asked to the camel, can you see that hump on your back? That is your very own hump that you have brought upon your very own self by not working. The jinn said to the camel. Now again and again you are saying hump, and hump. So now I have given you your personal hump, and you got this hump just because of not working, because you are not working, so you got this hump. Okay. And what he said after that, today is Thursday and you have done no work since Monday. When the work began, now you are going to work. What the man said to the camel, that today is Thursday and you denied to work from the Monday, from the day when the work started, and now you are going to work. अब तुम्हें अपना जो काम है, पेंडिंग वर्क है, वो तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा. How can I, said the camel with his hump on my back. Now camel said ki, how can I do this much work, or I am having this much big hump on my back, so I can't work. Then again the jinn replied, that has a purpose, said the jinn. All because you missed those 3 days. You will be able to work now for 3 days without eating, because you can live on your hump, and don't you ever say I never did anything for you. Come out of the desert and go to 3 and behave. What the jinn replied to the camel, you can work because that your hump has a purpose, said the jinn, because you missed those 3 days. And now what will happen, because you did not do work on those 3 days, so now with the help of this hump you will be able to do work without eating or drinking anything till 3 days, and this hump will help you to live. And don't ever say and I never did anything for you. And what the jinn said कि कभी भी मुझसे ये मत कहना, don't complain to me कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए कुछ नहीं किया. I have given you this hump so you can live on this hump. Okay. And come out of the desert, and desert के बाहर आओ, and go to the 3 and behave. और वो 3 creatures जिनके साथ तुमने misbehave किया है, उनके साथ अच्छे से behave करो. एंड द कैमल वेंट टू ज्वाइन द 3. कैमल जो था वो गया उन तीनों को ज्वाइन करने के लिए. एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे टू दिस द कैमल ऑलवेज वियर्स अ हम्प. और उस दिन से आज दिन तक क्या होता है, कैमल एक हम्प के साथ हमेशा हमें मिलता है, जिसको कि हम, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू हर्ट द फीलिंग ऑफ दैट कैमल, सो वी कॉल इट हम्प. ओके. but he has never yet caught up with the 3 days that he missed at the beginning in the world. What the author said, we haven't seen that a camel is completed his task or done his work because he missed those 3 days in the beginning of the century or the beginning of the earth, beginning of the world. So that is why a camel is continuously doing work and work and after that his work is incompleted, and he has never yet learned how to behave. And another thing is that because camel was misbehaved with those three creatures, but after that the camel doesn't know how to behave with others. If you have seen a camel, you must have seen the camel is very indifferent. आप उसके पास जाते हैं तो वो अपना उसका वही रिएक्शन रहता है ना. It is not like the other animals. So that is why Rudyard Kipling tried to make this story interesting for you, so you can enjoy it. Here the story completed. Okay, and nice story it is. Exercises here given. Think it over. You will read it, think it over, okay, and try to understand it. It is very interesting. And comprehension checks we will do. I will send you exercise so you can complete. And the moral of the story is you should do your work, and you should accompany your friends when your friends are doing something. So you should not behave like this, okay. So in this way the chapter is completed. If you have any kind of doubt, you can join me in the doubt session. If you don't have any doubt, then also come in the doubt session. It is compulsory for all. It's not only a doubt session, it is a class where we can discuss small things, okay. So thank you, have a nice day, and join the doubt session.